Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use your Ionos Webmail. Now the first thing I want you to do is just log in to your account, and then what I need you to do is come to the top, click on menu, click on email, and from here just select your email that you want to go ahead and use Webmail for. So we'll do this one, okay? You can go ahead and click on it, and now I want you to scroll down here. We have Webmail. So now you can go ahead and go to login, or you can click here as well and just log in to Webmail. And we are going to set it up initially. So they will ask you to go ahead and log in with your email address right here. This is what you use and the password that you had set up. And once you're logged in, they'll actually prompt you to put in your first name, your last name, and your display name. Once you're happy with it, you can click here on save, and it will welcome you to start a tour of Webmail. So you can begin with that. These are your apps. Here are your settings menu for your themes, things like that. And you can search settings as well. And this is just the help menu. And it basically works in the same way as any other email provider. To create a new mail, you can just click here for a new mail, and then you can enter their email address, subject, the body of text. You can add files as well. And here's your inbox, sent, spam, trash, everything like that. They even have calendars and address books, contacts, right? Really that easy, and that is how to use Ionos Webmail.